So what are you doing on a day like today? Are you buying? I mean, the Nasdaq was down almost 4% today.
Yes.
Tesla was down significantly. Did you buy?
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. And we publish our trades at the end of every day. So you will see them. The market's closed. We bought a lot of Tesla today across any strategy that holds Tesla. And we will be publishing in a few weeks a report updating our thoughts about Tesla, our excitement about the potential of a ride-hailing service as a bridge to an autonomous service, and the higher odds that autonomous is going to happen for Tesla. And part of the reason for the higher odds is now that Waymo is on the road autonomously, we know it can be done. Tesla has so much more data than Google or anyone else or everyone else combined that we think it's in the pole position.
Well, it's interesting too, it's funny, Cathie, people, expecting you to be on, and they were sending us tons of questions. This whole idea of the treasure trove of data that Tesla has specifically, you talk about it a lot. Do other people believe it? Are you seeing other, people kind of put that out as kind of one of the fundamental reasons that you want to own Tesla? It's not just a car company, right? It's a technology company. It's a battery company. Is that thesis of it being a data company getting a lot more recognition?
We do not think many analysts or investors are giving Tesla credit for autonomous. If they were, the stock would be a lot higher. What we do think they're giving Tesla credit for increasingly is, its electric vehicle franchise and how far ahead of the competition Tesla is when it comes to battery technology, to artificial intelligence, both in the form of chips, through the data collection. We think 30 billion plus miles compared to Google's 30 million-ish miles, and still over-the-air software updates to change performance. It's remarkable that more are not on board, even the last one yet. So I think its franchise has legs here.
So how does that translate into market value for Tesla? How much more opportunity is there? How much more opportunity is left for this run-up to continue?
Well, I'll give you a sense of, and this is from our Big Ideas 2021. You can get that on our site, ark-invest.com. We believe that the autonomous market, so the ride-hailing market, but autonomous, will be a $7 trillion revenue opportunity. And right now, the ride-hailing companies, human-driven ride-hailing, their market cap probably cumulatively is around $200 billion globally. If we're right, Tesla is in the pole position in the United States to become the autonomous taxi network. Autonomous is going to submit to natural geographic monopolies. So in the U.S., our confidence in Tesla has gone up the more we understand about autopilot and the more data its 1 to 1.5 million robots out there, including my Model 3, are collecting to inform its artificial intelligence engine. So that $6 to $7 trillion market, we think, is going to be more in the developed world, ironically, than in the emerging markets in terms of value, for reasons we can get into if you would like. So the U.S. could be a third to a half of that market. So think about that, $3.5 trillion opportunity, and it's going to be more of a monopoly than I think most investors and analysts understand right now.